Hi there. What are today's messages for us? Let's try this little mini container. You wouldn't let a thief into your house to steal your belongings, so why would you let thoughts into your mind that steal your happiness? Ooh, that's a good one. Hello. I'm really tired and a bit grumpy. Have you ever felt that way? It's impossible, said pride. It's risky, said experience. It's pointless, said reason. Give it a try, whispered the heart. You shouldn't take advice from people who aren't where you want to be. This is a very good reminder. Absolutely. And the last one. Recharge your passions. Realign your visions. Reconnect with your purpose. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.